I will go
Thank
now
you.
to
Thank
Mr.
you very much.
Peter Thompson.
Okay. Yeah, thank you, moderator, for giving me the opportunity to present my motivational message. All right. Chairman of the Electoral Commission and the patrons, members of the board, executive members, my co-contestants, and then good evening, everyone. My name is Peter Thompson. As most of you know me, you can also call me Peter Young, and I will respond. I'm vying for the position of the financial secretary. And then my decision to contest for the financial secretary is based on the strong confidence and then the trust the members of the union have shown in me. And they believe that I can perform even better if I'm given the opportunity to continue serving. So this evening, I come to you to ask for your support and vote to retain me, Peter Thompson, as the financial secretary. I have been the financial secretary for this union from 2018 up to this time. And I'm still vying for the position. So together, what I know that together, when we all support each other, I think we can continue the progress and then build on the strong foundation that we have laid. From 2018 up to this time, we have done a lot, and still we want to continue. So that is why I'm coming to you this evening, that you should still maintain the confidence in me, and then you will retain me as the financial secretary. So, coupled with my passion for the service and then the experience I have gained in the previous term, I still believe that I'm well suited for this position. And I am confident in also in financial reporting, records keeping, and then the day-to-day management of the accounts of the union. So this time, I'm committed to working closely with the presidents and then the entire executive team to provide a sound financial advice, and also to help secure grants and other financial support for the union activities. As many of you have mentioned, our financial strength is relatively weak at this time. So we will do our best to see if we can get other streams of income to support the union's activities by working together with the president and then the entire executive body. So this position requires someone who is professionally competent, passionate, transparent, and guided by a strong integrity. So with my experience and expertise, I strongly believe that I am excellent candidate to serve the union effectively in this role. So I'm done at this time. Thank you all.
Thank you very much. There is one hand up, Samsung SM something. Can you ask your question?
Okay.
Yeah, Peter, congratulations for vying for the position again.
Thank you.
And I wish you the best. Definitely, you beat no in that. So you talked about what I'm missing with the financial department in Ghana Union is the reporting. You said you report, but to the ordinary man, I don't know how the reporting is done, if it's to the executives or where. But to the ordinary man, I don't see any reporting there. Is there a way you do that? Because money is the motivating force in a society, and people would like to see how the money, no matter how, if it's going down, up, we get some donations and things like that. You want to see some dynamics and how the things are being used and where we are going down, our strength and our weaknesses. So how, if there's no way of reporting to the ordinary member, how are you going to make sure that this is done in the future?
Okay, thank you. Can I answer, Mr. Moderator?
I'm thinking.
Yeah, okay. I have one small one, but Mark Young raised it earlier. There used to be a time that we used to bring in the societies to help get the funds, and that was working very, very well. But I don't see that these days. I don't know if you still do it, but if we don't, how are you going to motivate that section? Because like you go to Asante Mine, they really collect very easily, and it comes, and there are different societies here which can do the same. And I think that can be a good source of strengthening the collection of our dues. So how do you answer to that?
All right, Peter, just remember the question, and then Makion, what's your question?
Okay. Yeah, mine is very simple. Peter, congratulations, and for also putting yourself up again. I don't have much questions for you, but what I want to add, since as Doc said, we know that you will beat no, but what I want to contribute to your administration as a financial secretary is that you see, I'm very much concerned about Ghana Union's finances, and I think that the union is not exploring enough. There is a lot of free money, or let me say available money to associations in this country that we can access. If we put our stuff together, we can apply and get those money. And so I think that we don't have to limit ourselves to only that 20 euros a year dues that we collect.
According to our constitution, it says every biannual report. So I'm supposed to present a biannual report to the general member and then at AGM for acceptance and discussion. So after the report has been approved, we always share it on our WhatsApp platform. And currently we did the presentation, I did it, and I think Afre has put the report on Ghana Union's website, and I also share it to the Ghana Union WhatsApp financial report. Before, when we usually share it when we meet physically, but since the COVID, after the COVID, since we are not able to meet frequently, we always share it via other WhatsApp, or we still have it at our website. So if you don't have the copy, I can send it to you from the time I became the financial secretary up to this time. And then second one, as for the communities, we are going to work with it. With the new administration, I will collaborate with the president and then the entire executive team to see how best we can engage them or talk to them about the need to help us in collecting the dues. And then also, as I mentioned, when I was delivering my message, I said we are going to, we will make a sound financial policies and also see to it that we get some grants. So that is where Makion came in. Initially, we have explored some of these avenues, but there were some hitches. So I think this time around, we are going to put in more effort so that we can get some of these grants to support the union's activities. So, Doc, the report, we do share them on our WhatsApp platforms.
Yeah, thank you for the clarification. I was not doubting that you do it. I know you are very accurate in a number of these. I was just thinking of how it gets to the ordinary man.
Oh, okay. And anybody at all can also ask. We can send it to your email if you want. We can do that.
No, okay, it's cool then.
All right.
Do you have any comments to what Makion said, so we can quickly move ahead?
So okay, for the grant, I said we are going to work. I will work with the new administration, collaborate with the entire executive body, and then to see how best we can get some of these grants.
All right, thank you very much. A few seconds to go. Gloria, a question now. Then we can quickly. Yeah, Gloria Yelson.
Yeah, please. My question to the financial, the aspirant for the financial department.
Okay.
Please, I want to find out, is there any way possible that paid up members can be updated yearly so that there won't be any form of like build up payments, because for instance, there are some of us that have not even paid for about 2 to 3 years, but then paying at this moment might be like a challenge. So is there a way that it can be updated so yearly we will know that we are owing or not?
Yes, please. I'm now working on it. Currently, I am developing a new, though it's Excel, and then we will also, I have thought about it that we will need a system that where we can send messages as a reminder. But when I check from our paper account, we have that option there. We can use that one to bill each and every member, and then it will send a reminder or notification to each and every one. Maybe if I set it to say, try to remind if someone refuses to pay, every 3 months, try to send a reminder, and then it will do it automatically. Aside that, I've also been posting reminders on our 2 WhatsApp groups. Those who have not paid their dues should pay. Though individually, I haven't done that. But when we have the system, or when we develop a new the Excel system that can also help us with some of these things, I think we are going to do it, and things will get better.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Peter, and thank you very much, Gloria, for that. It's a very, very good question, so that people will not have so much money to pay in one go. So,
Exactly.
Peter, thank you very much. Wishing you all the
Thank you
best.
too.
We will move on now to